The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, analyzing the anticipated upgrade cycle. Introduction to the next generation. The arrival of a new Samsung Galaxy Ultra flagship always resets the benchmark for premium Android hardware. Technical enthusiasts are analyzing whether the S25 Ultra represents a crucial evolutionary leap or merely a refined iteration. Early discussions focus heavily on substantial internal upgrades, designed to solidify its standing as the ultimate productivity device. The refined chassis evolution. While Samsung has largely settled on a sturdy, boxy design language, the S25 Ultra is expected to further refine its build materials. Anticipation centers on a more durable titanium frame composition, potentially improving drop resistance and heat dissipation. The core focus remains on a robust, premium feel that justifies its high-end positioning. Chipset dominance and efficiency. Under the hood, the performance gains hinge on the next-generation Snapdragon for Galaxy Silicon, or flagship Exynos equivalent in some regions. Benchmarks are expected to show significant leaps in both multi-core processing and graphics rendering, crucial for demanding tasks. More critically, the focus is on sustained efficiency, preventing thermal throttling during extended use. Mastering the display standard. The display remains an area where Samsung consistently excels. Reports indicate the S25 Ultra panel will feature a substantial peak brightness increase, making outdoor visibility unparalleled. Furthermore, the integration of new anti-reflection coatings and dynamic refresh rate optimization will ensure a seamless, power-sipping visual experience. Enhanced battery and thermal control. A common pain point in powerful devices is thermal management. The S25 Ultra is widely expected to debut an expanded and redesigned vapor chamber cooling system. This directly supports the new chipset's sustained performance while maximizing the longevity of the upgraded, high-capacity battery unit for all-day power. Main sensor mastery. The primary camera system is crucial for a device marketed towards professional users. Leaks suggest a significant hardware overhaul, likely involving a new 200MP class sensor with improved light gathering capabilities. This focus on larger pixels should translate directly into exceptional low-light photography and superior dynamic range. The strategic telephoto shift. Samsung's telephoto strategy often involves trade-offs between optical zoom ranges. The S25 Ultra is tipped to refine its zoom lens configuration, perhaps offering a more versatile optical range. The technical goal is to maintain high-fidelity magnification while eliminating the noise and artifacts often associated with digital, space zoom. One UI and software longevity. Beyond the hardware, the operating system experience, One UI, is expected to focus on further stability and refinement. Crucially, Samsung's commitment to providing an industry-leading number of years for both OS upgrades and security patches ensures the S25 Ultra retains its functional value for its full life cycle. S Pen latency and functionality. A staple of the Ultra line, the integrated S Pen will receive subtle but meaningful improvements. Technical enhancements will focus on reducing latency to near zero levels, making the writing experience indistinguishable from pen and paper. New air actions and gesture controls will also enhance professional productivity. Final verdict on value proposition. Ultimately, the S25 Ultra must deliver a comprehensive package that justifies its premium price. Based on the anticipated hardware and software synergy, the device is projected to be a compelling offering for users who prioritize maximum performance, advanced computational photography, and best-in-class integrated productivity tools.